Hi, Tim Blankenship here with Divorce661.com, and in this video I want to talk to you about how to avoid trial by filing your judgment. So I recently got a call from clients who had been going through a divorce process for a couple of years. They're in agreement, not in agreement. Certain things happened in the divorce process and time just went on, and they were several years into their divorce and they're actually in an agreement, but the judge had become frustrated over time because there was multiple hearings set where they're supposed to be coming to an agreement or turning in their judgment. And the judge finally said, if you don't turn in your judgment by this date, come into court and I'm going to dismiss your case. So these folks called me, they were in an agreement, and we had basically 5 days prior to the trial date to draft their settlement agreement, fully prepared, all procedural documentation, get it signed by the clients and get it down to court to be submitted by the court so they could avoid, number one, going to trial, and number two, having their case dismissed, which the court threatened to do, the judge specifically threatened to do. So this video is let you know you can avoid trial. What we're seeing with the courts these days is they're trying to move cases forward, where normally they wouldn't get involved or they just allow multiple continuances of a hearing or even a trial. Judges are tired of the trial dates being rescheduled, continued, so they're basically putting their foot down saying, okay, this is going to be your last trial date. If you don't appear or you don't turn in the judgment, we are going to dismiss the case. So in this particular situation, with 5 days to spare, we were able to, once retained, prepare all the final paperwork, their settlement agreement, all their judgment forms, get it signed by the parties, turned into court. Literally the day of the hearing, 8:30, with the clerk's office in the trial court, and the courts were able to accept that, and their judgment was actually entered, and they had an ability to avoid trial and not have their case dismissed. So if you're going to trial and you're trying to wrap things up and you find yourself in agreement, we can always settle that by turning in the judgment, and you can avoid trial. Tim Blankenship, Divorce661.com. Give us a call for more information, 661-281-0266, or go to Divorce661.com for more information. Thanks for watching.